Today we're going to be talking about the Horton 2150 lock. For the purposes of this video, I'm only going to be covering the belt style lock. The circuitry of the belt style and the linear style is the same. The most common problem between the two is carbon buildup inside the coil. Notice R1 and R2, they typically break at the surface of the circuit board. The same can be said about R7 and the capacitor next to it in C1. If you give them a gentle nudge, often you will find that they were broken. Simply replacing them could potentially fix your lock. Another issue is D7. D7 is a Zener diode, and they use it as a voltage regulator for the circuit. Often you'll find that it is failing and it's less than 4.9 volts. That diode is rated at 5.1 volts. IC1 is used to turn on the transistor which pulls in the solenoid which pulls in the strike of your lock. If you notice your LED lock status is not working, and if you press in switch 1 on this board and it still doesn't work, then the switch is bad itself. It also would not be uncommon for the connector TS1 to have cold solder joints on it, and as well for the solenoid to have cold solder joint on it too. This is just a basic guide to show you what you can and can't fix on your lock. If you need me to repair your lock, please send me an email listed in the video and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.